Hello guys, welcome back another video. If you have purchased any product on this store like Elare, this is the store name and this is the product, and when you purchase this product by mistake, if you have taken any subscription on this store, so how you can cancel. So basically before cancellation you need to read this note. So you can see you can cancel your subscription anytime before the next order is created. So it means you have to cancel your subscription before 24 hours for next billing date. Okay, and you can see what you have to do. You need to simply visit on their official website, and in the very bottom side there is an option manage subscription. You need to tap on this button and it will redirect you on this page. On this page you need to provide your email, and once you enter your email they will send you a cancellation link in your confirmation of email, and once you done this thing you can cancel your subscription very easily. Okay, and you can also contact with their customer support team. And how you can do this thing, you need to compose an email related to order cancellation or related to membership cancellation, subscription cancellation. You can use this format or you can take help from ChatGPT. And once you done this task, what you have to do, you need to simply send this email at their email address support@elare.store. and once they receive your email, you need to ask a proof of cancellation in the email. Once they receive your email, once they verify your account, they will send you a confirmation of your cancellation. And until you get a confirmation email of cancellation, you need to keep in touch with their customer support team. So these are the methods by which you can cancel your subscription of Elare. Okay, so now if you have any other issue, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.